Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to factory reset an iPhone 15 before selling. So, you have an old iPhone 15 series you'd like to sell. Whether you're hoping to sell it to make some cash or trading it in, one crucial step is erasing all your personal data before putting it on the market. If this is your first time selling iPhone 15, you'll want to make sure it's properly wiped and your data and information isn't accessible to the person buying it. Here, we'll show you a checklist of steps you need to take to prepare an iPhone 15 to sell first. Following that, you'll get 3 options to reset iPhone 15 before selling it, including the one that you can use when the device is malfunctioning. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Prepare iPhone 15 to sell. First of all, backup content and settings on iPhone 15 to iCloud or a PC or a Mac. If you get a new iPhone, transfer all personal information to it from the old device. Secondly, turn off Find My iPhone. Go to the Settings app. Tap your device name. Tap Find My, then choose Find My iPhone. Tap the green toggle next to Find My iPhone to switch it off. It'll require you to enter the passcode or password to confirm. Thirdly, sign out of accounts. Head to Settings. Tap your device name. Tap iCloud first to sign out of the iCloud account. Tap Media and Purchase to sign out of iTunes and App Store. Fourth, unpair the Apple Watch and AirPods by forgetting these devices. 5. Follow the options below to wipe your iPhone 15 completely by performing a factory reset. After the reset, remove the SIM card or eSIM profile. Then, cancel the Apple Care plan if you've purchased it and the device is still covered. One more thing, log into iCloud.com and appleid.apple.com separately with the Apple ID and password you've signed in iPhone 15 before. Double check if your device is removed from there where it should be. Step 2. Reset iPhone 15 in the settings. Erase all content and settings is a built-in feature that allows you to perform iPhone 15 factory reset safe to sell. It's free, safe and straightforward to use. Here are the steps. Tap the settings icon. In the opening menu, find and tap on General. In the next page, scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. To do a full factory reset, select Erase all content and settings. Finish the on-screen instructions like passcode entry, backup, etc. Once completed, it'll start resetting your iPhone 15 to factory settings. After it finishes, your iPhone will reboot to the white hello screen and ask the setup questions. You can then sell your iPhone with confidence that your iPhone 15 is completely wiped and personal information will not be accessible to anyone else. Step 3. Restore iPhone 15 to factory settings using a computer. This step is worth a try if the device doesn't have too much memory to do a reset before selling. To try it, take these actions. Hook up your phone to a computer with a USB-C cable. Open the latest version of iTunes or Apple devices app. If you have a Mac with Mac OS Catalina or newer, launch Finder instead of iTunes. You might need to trust this computer on your iPhone 15 if it's the first time to connect. Once connected, an iPhone icon will show up in the sidebar of the application window. Tap the icon or your device name. In the right panel that opens, make sure you're at the General or Summary tab. Then, click Restore iPhone, then choose Restore to confirm. After that, you can ensure all your personal data is completely erased from your iPhone 15 to safeguard your privacy before selling it. Step 4. Restore iPhone 15 via recovery mode if it's unresponsive. Your iPhone 15 is malfunctioning and the previous 2 tricks fail to reset it. One more step you can attempt to make sure it's safe to sell is putting it into recovery mode and restoring it with a computer. Here's a step-by-step guide to follow. Connect your device to your computer. Open the latest version of iTunes or Apple devices app, or Finder. To put your iPhone 15 into recovery mode, quick press the volume up once, quick press the volume down once, then press and hold the power button. Don't release the button when the Apple logo appears. Only when the restore screen with a laptop and a cord comes up like this, let go of the power button and you're in recovery mode. Now, look at the application window. As soon as iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder detects your iPhone 15 in recovery mode, a dialog box will pop up. It'll give you 2 options, Update and Restore. To wipe an iPhone 15 completely before selling it, click Restore, then click Restore and Update. The restore process will start, and make sure to keep the phone connected to the machine. If the download and installation process takes too much time and your iPhone 15 exits recovery mode, simply press the previous button sequence to re-enter the mode. Wait for the process to finish. After everything is deleted from your iPhone 15, go ahead and sell it as planned. That's all for how to reset an iPhone 15 to factory settings before selling. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.